Hi Coach, my name is Olivia, and in this CoachVantage tutorial, I will provide you with an overview of the scheduling feature. The CoachVantage scheduling feature makes it easy for you to create and publish events for people to self-book appointments with you. Examples of events include a one-on-one virtual meeting, such as a discovery call or consulting call, a physical meeting, or a one-on-one yoga class conducted virtually or in person. Currently, only single attendee events are supported. Group events, where multiple attendees can book a slot, is a future enhancement, so please stay tuned. If you're curious how to create an event in CoachVantage, please refer to the article in our Help Center titled How to Create an Event. Once you've created and saved your events, a public-facing booking page is automatically created and hosted by CoachVantage. Every event booking page has a unique URL link where clients can self-book appointments for your event. The booking page can be embedded into your website, or you can simply share the booking page URL link, for instance, in your newsletters, in your marketing emails, on your social media pages, on coaching directories where you list your services, etc. Please note that we do not recommend creating events for clients to book coaching program sessions. You should use the Programs feature found on the left menu for this. Refer to the article How to Create a Coaching Program in our Help Center for more details. Before we dive into the scheduling page overview, you may be wondering how many events you can create. The number of events you can create depends on your CoachVantage subscription plan. On the Clarity plan, you can create 2 active event booking pages, meaning at any point in time, you can have up to 2 event booking pages that you can publish online for client bookings. On the AHA plan, you can create unlimited active event booking pages. Now, let's take a closer look at the scheduling page in CoachVantage. From your dashboard, click Scheduling on the left-hand side of your screen. On the scheduling page, you will see your URL link to all your events, the search bar and sort icon, the Create New Event button, the View Event Bookings button, the event cards, and the event status tabs, including active, inactive, and draft. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these elements. Your URL link to all events is a web page that lists all of your events that you make available for clients to book appointments for. Clients and prospects can select the events that they would like to book online. When I click this link, you will see that this is where clients and prospects can select events that they would like to book online. When a client clicks the Book Now button, they will be redirected to the booking page for that specific event. Going back now to the scheduling page, I will also point out that clicking on the 3-dot button menu here will give you the option to copy this link or embed it to your website. Clicking Copy Link allows you to then paste the link wherever you would like, such as in an email, on your social media pages, etc. When people click on the link, they will be redirected to the All Events webpage that I showed you earlier, where they can select the specific event that they would like to book. Alternatively, you can select Website Embed if you would like to embed the All Events webpage to your website or to insert a Book Now button on your website. When I click Website Embed, a window opens up for you to copy a snippet of code as shown here. Click on Copy and then paste the code snippet into your website builder to generate the Book Now button or to embed the booking page into your website. To learn more about how to do this, please refer to the article in our CoachVantage Help Center titled How to Embed Your Booking Page to Your Website. Next in this window, we have the search bar where you can type in the name of the event you're looking for. Alternatively, you also have the option to sort your event by alphabetical order or the recency of the event. Click on the Create New Event button to create a new event. And to learn how to create an event, please refer to that article in our Help Center. Click on the View Event Bookings button to view and manage client bookings for all of your events in one place. This page displays all upcoming, past, and canceled bookings made by clients. Going back to the scheduling page now, let's take a look at these event cards. Once an event has been created and saved, an event card will be displayed on the scheduling page. On the event card, the following details are displayed: the status tab that shows whether an event is active or inactive, the event name, the event type, the event duration, the fees included if you're charging for your event, and the View Event URL link. Clicking on this link, you will be redirected to the booking page for this event. On the event card, you can also see the number of clients who have registered for this event. And lastly, you'll see the 3-dot button menu, which gives you the options to edit this event, show the booking history, copy the link, invite clients, clone this event, or embed this event to your website. And finally, you will notice that your event cards are color-coded according to the color you've chosen when creating the event. The color code is a visual cue on your calendar for calendar entries associated with this event's booking. As a quick tip, you can also press Reorder cards to easily move around these cards to an order of your choosing. Press Save New Order when finished. The final element on this page that I will point out is the Event Status tabs. There are 3 Event Status tabs, including Active, Inactive, and Draft. Depending on the status of your event, the event cards will be displayed in their respective tabs. It's important to note that you cannot delete active or inactive events. You can only toggle between making an event active or inactive. For example, let's say I would like to change the status of the sleep hygiene workshop from active to inactive. I would simply select this toggle, and a pop-up window will appear, confirming I would like to make this event inactive. I'd press yes to proceed. Now, as you can see, when I select inactive, the sleep hygiene workshop is located here. To make this workshop active again, I would simply press this toggle. A pop-up window will appear. To ensure I would like to make this event active, I would press yes to continue. And as you can see, the workshop is back in my active status tab. And that concludes our video of the scheduling feature overview in CoachVantage. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy scheduling and happy coaching.